to ZeLiCode's YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Python. So this is a starting video of Python. So if you talk about Python, it is a high-level general purpose programming language and designed to code readability with the use of significant indentation. So it is an interpreted language basically developed by Guido van Ramsel in 1991, and it is very easy to learn, and it has all the concepts of basic programming language like OOPS. We have a concept of object-oriented programming where we can create classes and objects. We will learn all of these in this course. So let's start. Now we will open the command prompt and type Python. So our Python interpreter will open. You can see we have Python 3.10 installed. Now we will type a simple command of hello world. So print hello world. Here you get the first Python command we have run. Now if you want to move out of it, you can just type quit. So that's it. This is our first video. We will upload more videos in future. Thank you.